This group of islands is Indonesia, a country filled with blessings with fertile soil and rich in mineral resources. Indonesia is also known as a maritime country, because most of Indonesia's territory is ocean, so that the wealth of natural resources is not only on land but also at sea. The main cause of Indonesia is rich in natural resources because Indonesia is surrounded by Pacific, Eurasian and Indian-Australian plates. The existence of these plates resulted in the emergence of volcanic mountain ranges starting from Sumatra, Java, Nusa Tenggara, Sulawesi, Papua, forming a ring of fire. Volcanic activity that emits volcanic ash causes the soil in Indonesia to become very fertile, so much of Indonesia's territory is covered by dense forests. Indonesia's forests have enormous potential, reaching 99.6 million hectares or 52.3% of the total area of Indonesia. The total area of Sumatra's tropical rainforest is 2.5 million hectares, consisting of 3 national parks in Sumatra, namely Gunung Luzer National Park, Kerinci Seblat National Park and Bukit Barisan. Forest area in all provinces in Kalimantan reaches around 40.8 million hectares. According to Greenpeace, there were only 25.5 million remaining forests in Kalimantan in 2010. Forest products taken are generally wood. There are at least 4,000 types of wood, 267 of which are wood with high economic value. Forest area of Central Sulawesi and Southeast Sulawesi in 2015, covering an area of 3,964,840 hectares and 2,326,419 hectares. Whereas in 1990 the total forest area was 7,079,146.59 hectares. Forest destruction in Indonesia is increasingly massive. The rate of destruction of our forests reaches 300,000 hectares per year. As a result, many species of plants and animals are endangered. Forest destruction must be prevented immediately, because forests have the function of storing rainwater, a place to live for flora and fauna, preventing erosion, and producing oxygen. In addition to forest resources, Indonesia is also overwhelmed by mining resources, petroleum and gas, coal, bauxite, iron, sand and so on. Petroleum comes from animal deposits millions of years ago. Indonesia's petroleum reserves continue to decrease. It is estimated that in the next 14 years these reserves will be exhausted. Coal is formed from the remnants of plants that have died and settled millions of years ago. Coal is used as an energy source for generating electricity, cooking, combustion and industries. Bauxite is the main source of ore to produce aluminum. Bauxite is beneficial for the ceramics, metal, chemical and metallurgical industries. Iron sand is a natural resource resulting from volcanic activity, utilized for the ferrous metals industry and the cement industry. Indonesia's natural wealth is not only on land, but also in the ocean. Indonesia's sea area covers 2/3 of the total area of Indonesia, which is 5.8 million square kilometers. The main marine potential is fisheries. The Indonesian Sea has a large number of sustainable potential, which is 6.4 million tons per year. As a source of animal protein, the catches of Indonesian fishermen fish are still far from expectations to meet the protein needs of the Indonesian people. Another maritime potential is mangrove forests. The function of mangrove forests is ecological and economic functions. The ecological function of mangrove forests is as a habitat. The economic function of mangrove forests as a tourist site. The community can provide tourism services, boat, eat and drink, or use mangrove forest biota as a source of income. Coral reefs, another potential of marine resources that thrive in Indonesian waters. Why are many coral reefs found in Indonesia? Because Indonesia is in the tropics and the temperature of its warm waters 21 to 29°C is very suitable or ideal for the growth of coral reefs.